Hello everyone, I am Falguni and welcome to a new video. I hope you're focusing on my nails right now and not the coffee, huh? But if you're still more concerned about the coffee, then I have clearly failed. In this video, we will be talking all about nail extensions. Whether you're going to try it for the first time or the nth time, I'll tell you everything. Welcome to my channel, Falguni this side. In this video, I'll not just be showing you the satisfying video clips of nail extensions, but I'll also be answering all the frequently asked questions like the cause, damage, what to avoid, and everything you need to know about nail extensions. Okay, before you ask me why I'm so excited, so it was Chaturthi, the fourth day of Durga Puja, and this is how my nails looked. So that is why I'll be going to get my nails done. On my way, I saw this beautiful lights, and honestly, it made my heart so happy. The first step is to push your cuticles back and clean all the dead skin. Also to create maximum surface area for your design, followed by buffing. They are done to buff the shine away so that the fake nails stick properly. One side effect of nail extension is it causes loss of moisture. So it's not recommended to do nail extensions very frequently. But if you are planning on getting nail extensions, I would recommend that you start taking care of your nails beforehand. By the way, these are not plastic nails. मुझे ऐसा लगा था, but they are actually made of silicone. The nail artist will select the right size for your nails. But before attaching it, your nail artist will confirm with you whether they are of the right size. Please make sure that the size is correct. As I was talking about the loss of moisture, it is basically due to the gum used to stick these fake nails. They prevent our nails from breathing. I was asking them, do they have any negative impact on our nails, etc. They told me once in a while doing nail extensions is absolutely alright and they do not cause any harm. Now it was time to decide the length of my nails. Do I want them in a practical size so that I could do my daily chores? Or do I want them like a witch so that I can learn witchcraft and make other people do my work? Anyway, I settled somewhere in between. And if you are getting your nails done for the first time, I would recommend you don't go for very large nails because it will be very tricky for the first few days to walk with them. Now it's time to buff down your fake nails so that they look real. And if you're planning to get your nail extensions done, let me tell you, bring some time in hand because it will take you more than 2 hours. At least it took me more than 2 hours. Because there are multiple steps and a lot of repetitive steps, and they make sure your nails look perfect, so they do not mind how much time it takes. So make sure you actually have enough time. First, I wanted almond shaped nails, then I settled for this because the inspiration nails which I bought with me, which by the way I selected from Pinterest, had these kind of nails. If you're looking for cute nail art or nail designs, you can go to Pinterest. They have a lot of inspirations out there. And also you can visit a nail salon. They'll give you a catalog. You can select from there too. I also tried this Instagram hack I saw about putting sunscreen before you put your hands into the UV lamp, but then मुझे ना थोड़ी सी डांट पड़ी because वो मेरे nails में भी लग गई थी. Never mind. Now it was time for the builder gel. The right proportion is very important here because if not done properly, then your nails might look a little lumpy. This is done on the entire nail starting from the cuticles so that our nails are evenly covered. Then we have to keep them in the UV lamp for them to set while we choose the color we want for our nails. Well, if I have to be honest, मुझे तो अभी भी मेरी nails बहुत satisfying लग रहे थे and मैं कुछ color नहीं भी करवाती तो भी I was very happy with my nails by now. Okay, now coming to the part of choosing the right color for your nails. पता नहीं उस दिन I was just not getting the right colors and मुझे लग रहा था कि एक बार डार्क हो गया एक बार लाइट हो गया, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो रहा था. They had to rub it off I guess twice and एक बार तो I guess सूख भी गया था, and that was I guess not my mistake, it was their mistake. They interchanged the nails or something like that, but I really appreciate their patience. लाइक यू कैन सी मेरे नेल्स पे अभी एक पेंट आ रहा है एंड क्लियरली आई वॉज़ नॉट हैप्पी विद इट, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था दिस इज़ नॉट द शेड आई वॉज़ लुकिंग फॉर, क्योंकि मैंने उन्हें पिक्चर भी दिखाया था. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग द एंटायर थिंग आई टोल्ड देम नो दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट कलर एंड दे हैड टू रब इट ऑफ एंटायरली. एंड फिर उन्होंने मेरे लिए अलग से मिक्सिंग किया. दे एडेड वाइट टू दिस कलर एंड देन अप्लाइड इट ऑन माई नेल्स. एंड दे टोल्ड मी दिस इज़ नॉट द फर्स्ट टाइम दे आर डूइंग दिस. समटाइम्स हम लोग ऐसे कलर्स लेके आते हैं तो उनके पास अवेलेबल नहीं होता है. सो यूजिंग द कलर थियोरी दे मिक्स इट एंड देन दे अप्लाई इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टमर्स नीड्स. But I have to say this, even though the process is very long, it takes almost 2 to 3 hours, but the entire process is very satisfying. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, like I really enjoyed the process. This is the final color I went for and वो मुझे दिखा भी रहे थे अब ठीक है ना, and I was like yeah अभी it's fine. Okay, now coming to the price, it costed me approximately 1500 rupees. मैंने ये पिक्चर पहले ही उनको भेजा था इंस्टाग्राम पे एंड दे टोल्ड मी दैट इट विल कॉस्ट 1500 रुपीज़ एंड आई वाज ओके विथ इट बिकॉज प्राइस ऐसा ही होता है. एंड ऑल्सो आप जब नेल सैलॉन सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग इट फ्रॉम अ नाइस प्लेस, यू आर डूइंग इट फ्रॉम स्किल्ड पीपल. बिकॉज मेरे एक सिस्टर के साथ ऐसा हुआ था, लाइक शी गॉट इट डन फॉर अ वेरी लेस प्राइस एंड देन शी गॉट अ वेरी बैड इन्फेक्शन फ्रॉम the nail extensions and it was really hard to remove also. So please make sure that you get it done from a good place. Now let's talk about how long do they last. Nail extensions last usually for 2 to 3 weeks, but it also depends on the growth of your nails. You can get them done again. आपको पार्लर में आके फिर से उसका रीटच कुछ ऐसा करवाना होता है, बट getting nail extensions done very frequently is not recommended. Even they told me that since this is something artificial, आप बार बार ये करवाओगे तो आपका nail का quality ख़राब होते जाएगा and it will become very brittle and break very easily. This was honestly the most satisfying part when they were actually doing the real design. But इसमें भी एक गलती हुई थी, like they interchanged the nail design and उसके लिए they had to like rub it off entirely and do it again. For the next part of the video, I won't be speaking much because I let you enjoy the beautiful color mixing and all the art that is done on my nails. I know it's going to be very satisfying, but if you're watching this video till now, please drop a pink heart in the comment section. Also let me know what should I try next so that I can share a video with you guys.